Hey, what's up guys, TechBox here. Today we're unboxing Apple's latest budget beast, the iPhone 16e, launched just last month. This phone promises flagship vibes at half the price, but does it deliver? Let's dive into the details and find out. First impressions, sleek, premium, 167 grams of pure elegance. The iPhone 16e rocks a glass back, aluminum frame, and that iconic Apple minimalism. It's IP68 rated, so your poolside selfies are safe up to 6 meters deep. And guess what? It's thinner than ever, just 7.8 mm, comes in classic black and white. Oh, and dual SIM lovers rejoice. International models support nano SIM plus eSIM, while the US version is eSIM only. China, you get dual nano SIM, flexibility FTW. Let's talk about this 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. With 1200 nits peak brightness, HDR10, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Netflix binges just got a major upgrade. The ceramic shield glass, nearly unbreakable, perfect for butterfingers. And that 87.1% screen-to-body ratio means more screen, less bezel. Compared to the iPhone 15, colors pop harder, blacks are deeper. Under the hood, the 3nm Bionic chip is a monster. Hexa-core CPU, 4-core GPU, this thing handles Genshin Impact at max settings like a pro. Paired with 8GB RAM, apps load instantly and multitasking, zero lag. Storage starts at 128GB going up to 512GB. iOS 18.31 brings slick new widgets, AI-powered shortcuts, and 3D spatial audio integration. Oh, and messages via satellite? Yes, you can text from the middle of nowhere. Camera time. The 48-megapixel main shooter with 1.6 aperture and OIS captures insane detail, even in low light. Check this sunset shot, vibrant, crisp, no noise, and the 12-megapixel selfie cam, it's got a depth sensor for buttery bokeh. Video nerds, you'll love this. 4K 60fps with spatial audio recording. Bloggers, this is your new best friend, plus Dolby Vision HDR makes your clips insta-ready. Battery life, the 4005 mAh cell lasts a full day even with 5G on. And wired charging hits 50% in 30 minutes, though the 7.5 wireless feels slow in 2025. Priced at $599, the iPhone 16e is Apple's best budget play yet. It's perfect if you want that premium iOS experience without breaking the bank. But no 120W charging, no telephoto lens, still for most users, this phone slaps. If you're upgrading from an older iPhone or switching from Android, the 16e is a solid pick. Drop a like if you're hyped for the iPhone 16e and subscribe to TechBox for more tech deep dives. Got questions? Comment below, I'll reply ASAP. Until next time, stay techie.